So today's job is stop. So the bell press, which is your little thing to tell the bus driver to stop, which illuminates that sign up there. Yeah. So not working on the left hand side, the right hand side. Just open and close them doors, bro. Okay, so we've cleared the bus stopping sign. Hey, get out of the way. You don't need to be there. Out of the frame. You can sit back down. Do you want to be on YouTube?
No.
Yeah, well then. Okay, so right hand side, bingo bango comes on. These circuits are earth switching. So the red one goes back to a module, a programmable module, and the black one's an earth. We've got on the working side, there's an earth present here, and then if we supply an earth to this red one, well, bingo bango, the light comes on. The left hand side, sorry, different story. Was a different story. It wasn't working. With this test light on a positive, we should be getting a light on there, because that black should be a constant negative, and the test light clip is on a positive up in the roof there. But yeah, when we go to operate, nothing happens, and I don't know if it's going to work now, but yeah, so yeah, well, there's something wrong with this harness up the top, because this black here should always be illuminated if that's on a positive, yeah? If the clip of the test light's on a positive. So we follow it up, goes into the roof where it's riveted into an aluminium extrusion, and that runs the length of the bus to service all the bell presses along there. The problem is though, someone has to drill holes to put these poles in, yeah? So some trigger happy dude with a drill is going to come along, drill through that channel, and be completely oblivious to the wiring in there, and he's going to hit it and cause problems. So we give this a wiggle. Our harness now has a short circuit, an open circuit, and what I'm doing here is I'm making contact again by pulling the wire up inside the channel, just very slightly, and it comes back to life. So we know that we've got a problem between that and here. So we're going to replace that, and we'll come back and see how we go. So I'm heating up my trusty soldering iron, and what we're going to do, I'm going to cut this off, locate which piece of twin of the two harnesses there goes to the front, and then I'm going to solder on a new piece and pull it back through the top, and hopefully we don't hit any fucking jangs or jangs along the way, and stop it from coming through easily enough, because that'll be a nightmare. But yeah, that's life. Well, we were right. Someone gone and drilled through it. So now we're just trying to pull that new piece of cable through, which has proven to be a real pain. We may have to end up drilling them rivets out to stop the cable getting jagged up on it. So we ended up having quite a bit of trouble getting this wire to pull through. Our solder joint here is jamming up as we try to push or feed it through. I say it's probably because of these rivets, and you can't turn a corner properly. The rivets will be in the channel, sort of like a bollard that it can't get past. So we'll try and do what we can. But yeah, it just involved having to unscrew this thing, drill out a bunch of rivets. The joys. It's much later in the day, and we finally got everything back together. We've opted to change those rivets out with some struggle. We tapped those holes out and put some stainless steel in-hex screws down there as well. And when Alex gets in and closes the door, ready. Oh, bingo bango, she's done. Part of the job is checking for things that aren't necessarily wrong at the moment, but a keen eye, nice and loose, all these earths. We'll go and tighten that up. And here's another something little I found as I was going. This intermittent wiper relay was just hanging by the skin of its teeth, and pulled some wires out as we were moving the harnesses around. Just another one of those things to keep an eye out on. Kind of disappointing for a new bus though. And this here is a close-up of the drilled through harness. And hey, thanks guys, thanks for joining me. Stay tuned and I'll give you some more over the shoulder videos. See you next time.